So this is what you do. Whether you're just in the beginning of cleaning up your credit or if your credit's messed up and you can't get credit cards, this is what you have to do. Go to your bank, right? Start with a secure credit card because credit history is 35% of your score. So get a secure credit card, right? At your bank because you want to start building a relationship. Give them $200. They'll give you a $200 limit on the credit card, right? Now you have a $200 limit. Everybody has a cell phone bill. You got streaming services. Whatever you can, max out. Now listen to me because a lot of you guys hear max out and you're like, wait, you're not supposed to max out. Listen to what I'm saying. Max out to that credit limit of the $200. Spend as much of it as possible and pay it back to zero balance. I want you guys to use your credit cards like debit cards. Only spend what you have in the bank. And pay, just like DeAndre said, on the statement date. Not the payment due date, but the statement date. The statement date is so important because that's the date that the creditors report to your credit report. So if you have a zero balance on that date, they'll report a zero balance for the next 30 days. But by maxing it out and paying it to a zero balance, that is key, right? So now do that for 6 months. After 6 months, then you go back to that creditor or your bank and say, I want a request for the account to go from secured to unsecured. Now, those of you whose credit is still messed up, chances are they may not let you go from an unsecured credit card. So you might have to go for about a year. But trust me, it took you longer than a year to mess up your credit. So you got to play the game. Now, by doing that, guess what you let the creditor know? You let the creditor know that not only the limit that you used up to the $200, or if you gave them $500, you'll get that you spend that total amount of money, but then you let them know that you're responsible for paying it to a zero balance. And so once you do that for 6 months, ask for a credit limit increase, ask for it to be unsecured. They're going to give you a credit limit increase. In the next 6 months, put a thing in your phone, an alarm, and every 6 months ask for a credit limit increase and maximize what you do and pay it back to a zero balance. By doing that, guaranteed to get it. You're getting a credit limit increase and they trust with regards to your situation concerning it.